Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to disassemble the Canon EF 50mm 1.4 USM lens. Recently I had this lens which had focusing problems. The focus was stuck and didn't move. The problem was caused a bent metal ring inside the lens, so I had to disassemble the lens and repair the metal ring. In this video I show you how to disassemble the lens, but I have two other videos where I show how to repair the metal ring and then how to assemble the lens. You can find the links here or in the description below. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to repair the lens. I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a PH20 screwdriver and the metal tweezers. If you are interested in buying them, then you can find the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, informative and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section. So let's get started. Here is the faulty 50mm 1.4 lens, which has problems with focusing. Let's start the disassembly at the mount of the lens. Remove the two smaller screws from the electronic connector, then remove the four bigger ones from the metal bayonet. Lift off the metal bayonet at the opposite side of the electronic connector and push up the inner plastic ring. Be careful not to damage the flex cable of the electronic connector. Remove the autofocus manual focus switch by lifting a little bit upwards towards the rear of the lens, then towards the side. Remove the plastic body ring of the lens by sliding it towards the rear of the lens. As you can see, mine is stuck a little bit, but eventually it will come up. Now disconnect the flex cables. The next step is to remove the screw, then the circuit board. Remove the glued part of the flex cable from the lens body. Then continue the disassembly at the front of the lens. Remove those 3 screws. Remove the front lens cover ring, then the manual focusing ring. Remove the focusing brush. Remove those 3 screws, then the inner lens elements will slide out. Remove those 2 screws, then the metal ring can be removed and it will be repaired. This is a metal ring which was deformed and it will be bent back. From now you can start with the disassembly and bend the metal ring back or continue to disassemble the lens. There is a part of the lens barrel which can cause the focusing problem, and to solve that I have to remove the front lens group from the lens. Remove those 4 screws, then remove the front lens elements group. It is not necessary to continue with the disassembly if you would like to repair the focusing problem of the lens, but if you would like to clean all the lens elements, then you can remove the rear lens, then you can clean all the lens elements. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you find it useful, informative and adds value to you, then please share it, like it, subscribe to my channel and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, please share it in the comment section.